Resident, please tell me you're buying this set for the board. Please. This looks so good, dude. This is a very special Kohaku that the client got Cerakoted. This is a custom Cerakoted fish. Very, very cool. Here, we're gonna zoom in on this because my camera's pretty far out. I readjusted the camera, by the way, so when I do zoom out all the way, it covers the whole desk now, which was pretty fun to do. That was a fun little adjustment. I had to just shift some stuff around, but how awesome is this now? It's like super wide view of everything, but I don't think we'll ever need that, so we'll probably just leave it zoomed in a little bit. I know, isn't this so nice? Excellent choice by the owner here. Excellent choice. I sourced the switches for this client and I sourced everything for them. But I also sourced some C3 wires. I don't really do this and this was kind of expensive. I'm using C3 wires today because I really like them paired with cherry, but these are kind of tough to find for me anyways, like getting them at a decent price that won't shoot the price of the stabilizers up. But basically I got these in like a little deal for when I bought some switches from someone. I asked them just to throw me in a set. So this is for Resident. Again, very rare that I can get these for like a decent price. Do you know if this is one of the corrected plates, or is this an older plate that I have to kind of worry about this guy over here? That I don't know? Okay, I'll do it. I think the way I have to do this is I have to insert this switch first. And I think I want to solder these down at the moment. Yeah, I'll do the correction process now, I guess, or whatever the process is called. If you guys don't know, the reason why I'm asking is because the Kohaku has this weird quirk with the older plates where the plate doesn't actually sit very nice and you kind of have to be kind of forceful with these two particular switches. Actually, I think this one too. So let me just do these three. Was it R2? I don't remember which one it was. I thought it was the issue with hot swap PCBs. No, I mean, it happened on my solder ones too, keep signs. Well, I'm still going to solder in just in case. I think it's the right move here. Hey Alex, as someone who has never experimented with different cables, where would you suggest I look to purchase them from? I'm based in Canada, if that matters. I like my ordinary labs ones, but if you want some like really custom ones, I'd suggest Dispatch. My hot take is I think the custom cable fad has really died in the last few years, I should say, not months. I don't think people care too much about custom cables as much as they used to. By the way, Resident, there was gloves in here. Did you need me to use those? That's why I haven't taken out the board fully. I wanted to ask you. I don't know if you put those in there for me, so I don't put my grubby hands on this thing, man. All right, we're definitely putting clear feet on this because this is so pretty. Because I feel like clear feet are a must here. Dude, isn't this beautiful? This is, okay, in case someone missed the beginning, this is Resident's custom, it's Cerakoted, right? Although there is, just so you're aware too, Resident, it does look like there's a small little, not that you can really see it, but there's like a small hairline scratch near the foot. Just so you saw that already? Everything else looks really good though. Some small scratches on the inside, but nothing too crazy. I did that. You did that? Dude, honestly, I get it, bro. Everything else looks fine. I've only done it to one of my boards where I've really scratched it, and it was a E-coated U80, and I was so, like, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was depressed that day. Like, I was so sad. It was the first time I ever scratched a keyboard. First and only ever time I've scratched a keyboard. It was my own keyboard, and I was just being kind of silly, and I ruined it. Oh, Resident, if you're gonna get this re-Cerakoted then, do you want me to put these on the plate? Yeah? Okay, we'll put them on the plate. Because that'll save you a whole bunch of time and money having to buy stuff here. Sounds good, Resident. Just making sure. Trying to be thoughtful, you know? So here's my not hot take, but here's my take is putting it on the board or the actual like case just makes more sense in the event that you buy another plate and PCB, because that means you need another set of gaskets. So here makes a lot more sense. I want to tell you, you are a machine. People don't realize you stream, shoot photos, do blog posts, and work for Novel Keys. Thank you so much, Luther. I appreciate it, man. Love your hustle. It's so inspiring. Yeah, I do. I'm going to be honest. I think this is as much as I can do. Like, I think that is my limit. Like, that is my cap. I am trying to get better at all the things that I do. I've extended myself to the fullest amount, and I don't want to go further. I feel like that'd be bad for my mental health at that point. I do social media. And help with other things too. Exactly, man. I shoot photos and video, and that's a lot. Yeah, luckily the streaming stuff I've gotten down packed, but I can't imagine going back to doing full length YouTube videos and stuff. This shit is just way too much. Like if I'm gonna do YouTube videos and like shorts again, then I'm gonna have to sacrifice on streaming. So, and I prefer the streaming just because I think it's more interactive and I can get like a handle on people better. So, what do you think are better ABS keycaps? GMK, Key Kobo, MW, or Dami Key? Excuse my answer here, but I think GMK produces the sets that I use and like the most. In second place, I would actually say Jade. What other one? Not JWK, but JTK would be second place actually, and then Key Kobo. Key Kobo would be third place. Dami Key has some good ones too, though. I can't complain. JTK just doesn't make a whole lot. I feel like that I like color-wise, but their quality is super good. All right, let's put some keycaps on this. I think we do use Mars Cadet. I think that has to be the play here. I think this is the perfect set for this, by the way. All right, what do you guys think? Do we like this? Resident, please tell me you're buying this set for the board. Please. This looks so good, dude. Oh, so good? Yeah, this is like the perfect set for this. I gotta take a few photos of this even for Riley. The orange weight man, holy shit. This is perfect. This literally looks like it was meant for this set. Truth be told. Dude. All right. Let's give this a little typing test. This is MX2As. Filmed with Deskies. Lubed with GS2. And done with 60 gram slow, or is it 60 gram? Let me triple check. I put them all in a bag for Resident here. Yeah, 60 gram Sprit Springs, Extreme 2 slows. Ooh, this is a nice balance here. What do you guys think? It's nice, right? Let's see the mods. Hold me. Yeah, the enter is a bit weak, but I wonder if it maybe I need to swap out the switch, which I probably will. Maybe you guys can't hear, but it sounds like perhaps the switch got a little bit.
It's a beauty.
Like it has like a defect on it, because it almost feels like a bit tactile. I'm probably gonna swap that out right now. Actually, we'll do it together. No, the alphas are great. I like the backspace. The shift is good too. Yeah, it could also be a weird spring. You can only ever tell when you put them inside keyboards. So let's just fix it now. Oh yeah, it's perfect now. Yeah, it was just the way it was seated, I guess. It happens. Very nice. Very nice. It sounds, dude, it sounds super good. I am extremely happy with the way this turned out. Here's I mean, this is technically the back here, but here's the bottom. Back and bottom. Dude, it goes with this keycap set perfectly. Like, look at this. Like, this is just a cool angle to look at both the orange on the keycaps and the board. It's perfect for this. It's so nice. Yeah, this is the perfect board, or a perfect set for this board, I think. They just go in tandem. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Resident, I hope you are too. Dude, I'm telling you, GS2 Lube, this has been like my favorite. For some reason, I find it specifically with cherry switches, like anything scratchier, I find the 2.0 is great, but I get like a deeper, almost bassier vibe from the GS2 Lube, and I feel like I'm using less lubricant as well. Like, I feel like I can stretch out the GS2 Lube more than I can the 205. I don't recommend this for stabilizers. I've tried. I don't love it for stabs, but this is like fantastic for switches. I'm loving this, dude. It's right in between like Tribosis and 205G0. I've tried Tribosis 3203 and 3204. I think I still have batches of them. Like, I don't really use it as much as I used to. All right, guys, you guys have a good one. Love you, and see you guys very soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, everybody.